Today I'm quickly demoing my ridiculously modular 8088 arrangement. This is a board where I basically, well, let's say I made all these individual boards short of the VGA adapter and the compact flash ID adapter, although I did write my own ROM to the compact flash adapter. I configured it such that the ROM in the compact flash adapter, instead of being extension ROM, actually acts as a primary BIOS of this 8088 machine. Now this is fully functional, besides it's actually missing a keyboard controller because I didn't have suitable chip for that, and I didn't want to, at least not yet, include FPGA to do the task of keyboard controller, so this will just boot into pre-configured program and run that. So what I have here, actually, many of these boards are kind of silly and redundant. Like this board actually does nothing, it shorts the reset pin in the ISO bus to ground, because that's the way you need to boot the machine. And then this board basically has just 14 MHz crystal and nothing else. It feeds the oscillator signal into the ISO bus. This is my homemade Adlib card. This is the programmable interrupt controller and timer chip, the original chips from 8088, and then a couple of 7400 series logic, just minimal amount. And this is also just an oscillator. It feeds 8 MHz oscillator signal to 8 MHz clock signal into the ISO bus so that the CPU can run. And this is XT compact flash adapter, just stock, besides the ROM. This is just single memory chip, 0.5 MB of memory, and this is the 8088 CPU chip and 4 7400 series logic to allow it to connect directly to the ISO bus, and just the VGA driver, VGA adapter. Let's see how this works. Just powering the whole thing from this compact 12 volt powered ATX power brick. This is actually 286 demo, but for whatever reason it mostly works on this 8088 still, or it's V20, so it's like 186 actually, but definitely not 286. not entirely sure what's going on there. Maybe my homemade BIOS is not entirely compatible or something. Most things seem to be working nicely. Although this section is a bit slow, but I guess that's just 8088 compared to 286. Yeah, that's it.